Hi kids, introduction color name red color, green color, purple color, yellow color, orange color, blue color, brown color. Red color A. E for apple. A for ant. Yellow color. B. B for ball. B for bed. Blue color C. C for cat. C for tub. Orange color D. D for door. D for duck. Green color E. E for elephant. E for egg. Blue color F. F for fish. F for fan. Purple color G. G for giraffe. G for grass. Brown color H. H for hen. H for head. Orange color I. I for igloo. I for ice cream. Purple color J. J for jeep. J for juice. Red color K. K for king. K for kite. K for kite. Yellow color L. L for lion. L for lamb. Green color M. M for mom. M for mouth. Yellow color N. N for nest. N for nose. Purple color O. O for octopus. O for orange. Yellow color P. P for pigeon. P for pen. Red color Q. Q for queen. Q for question. Green color R. R for rabbit. R for rat. Blue color. S. S for sun. S for soup. Green color. T. T for tiger. T for tree. U. Brown color. U for umbrella. U for uncle. Orange color. V. V for van. V for vase. Blue color. W. W for watch. W for window. Red color. X. X for X-ray. X for telephone. Y. Y for yo-yo. Green color. Z. Z for zoo. Z for zebra.
Please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.